Oh, I love this. All right, time for another haul. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to do a haul video, which is primarily what I do on this channel. I'll go to thrift stores, show you guys some of the pieces that I find, also that I can sell them on both Poshmark and eBay. I give you a little bit of behind the scenes and tips and tricks on basically how to be a reseller. Work from home, full-time or part-time, however you like to integrate this into your world. So if that is something that is interesting to you, hit that subscribe button. Today, I purchased this box on Poshmark of some pieces to sell online, but I actually found that this person was going to be doing a wholesale box of this from Instagram. And that's kind of what I want to talk about today is, are you using Instagram as a way to find other inventory? And even for that matter, is it worth purchasing from essentially other resellers to get inventory for your own closets? Let's dig into this one. I know that the brand is Free People, and on her listing, it did actually say, I think one dress, I think 2 intimate pieces, but they were going to be like 2-piece sets. And then I think it was like 3 shirts, something to the tune of that. I will definitely put it up on the screen so you guys can see. They're supposed to be either new with tagged or new without tag. There's only a few pieces, so we'll showcase these really quick. I'll give you my thoughts about this box and give you a few more details that I want to give you at the end. I apologize if you can hear all of that because I am downstairs and my kids are running upstairs. So this is what the front of the box looks like. Let's jump right into the items. The first one, it is a lace tank. It is an extra small Frenchie's Kiss, and it did say that it was going to have varying sizes, but this one is an extra small. I do really like the color. I think I am going to open it up. It retailed for $88, so I purchased this box, 8 pieces at $100, which to some might think that that's a lot, but since they were new with tagged pieces, I thought it was going to be worth purchasing and giving a try as well. I love the back of this. This is a really cute top, and I will definitely find a way to put that back in this bag. The next one is this stinking cute. I love this color. It's like burnt orange. It's definitely more of a fall color, but it's still super cute. This must be the dress that I'm going to get. So this is more like a mini dress. It is extra small as well. And this one retailed for $148, which if you know anything about reselling, retail doesn't always equate to what it will sell in the resale world. Here are some black size 27. I don't know if they're going to be shorts. I think they are based on the size. This is what they, oh, it could be a mini skirt. No, wait, yeah. That's so cute. It's by the brand We the Free. The way that it's cut right there, it actually looked like it was going to be shorts, but this is even better, it being a skirt, because I feel like you can layer with it. There was extra fuzz here, so I just want to show this is what it looks like now, and there's probably some more fuzz down there. This one retailed originally for $78. Size 27, so that's all right. That's a better size in my opinion. I do like to have varying sizes when I'm selling stuff, so I don't want this whole box to be like really tiny sizes. Okay, this is a size large, so that's great. This one is a black and white combo. I wonder if that means there's 2 pieces inside of this. It says tank print. Let's see what we've got. Oh, it's just, oh yeah, okay, so it's a longer top. It's like a tunic top. Has like the collar right here. You guys know what the logos look like, so I'm not really showing those. And this one retailed originally for $58. And I feel like I'm seeing the same shirt, so we're gonna pull that one out right now. And also a size large. 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. Next we have a denim, it's a size medium. What is this? Oh, it's a top. I love denim tops. I don't ever really wear them myself, but I love the style and I love how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna lose this bag. My bad. This is so cute. It's like a crop top. So cute. And if there's anything that you guys see and would love to get at a discounted price, feel free to message me down below. This is the We the Free tag, size medium. But I can ship things and send you the tracking number. I love this. I love this for January. It's called the Palm Desert Denim Top, which retailed originally $4.88. And I'm actually counting, and I feel like I have more than 8 pieces. And I'm wondering because, so there's 9. I feel like these were supposed to be sets, and so instead of doing a set, wait, that does say a set. Let's see. Is it a set? It is. Yeah, it is. So I ended up with an extra piece. I love it. So this was originally $48. It's a size medium. It has this like lacy bra and then paired with some thong underwear, which is kind of like such a back and forth because I don't know about you, but sometimes like my sizing in tops is different from bottoms. I don't know. I'm never really a fan of like having sets, especially like swimsuits too. I mean, if I have a matching set, I'll sell it that way, but I don't know. Are you someone who needs to have 2 different sizes, tops and bottoms? Okay, this is also the same thing, just in pink, and this is a size large. So awesome. We have a medium, we have a large, has some varying sizings, and then a couple extra smalls. I kind of wish the dress was a bigger size, but that's just my own personal desire. It's not to say it's not going to be good. Maybe it's a better thing because then I wouldn't be tempted to keep it, you know? What is this? Just this black combo. And it looks like it's Geo Tank. I don't know. It has tissue paper wrapped around it, so it's like a surprise. What are you? Ooh, this feels beaded. Oh, I love this. Okay, this is a size medium. Check this out. Isn't that gorgeous? Has that embroidered detail with the beading on it. I think that's probably why it was in the tissue paper. And it's this complete exposed back with just this tie. So many cute tops for high-waisted jeans. They have like extra beads too if you lose beads. So this is regularly $98. Free people, like, you're so expensive. What in the world? I just can't. I'm so surprised. So in my personal opinion, I would absolutely purchase from this seller again. Her name is eBay Princess on Instagram, and I believe on her Poshmark store it's like eLux. I will also put links to her down below. And I just kind of want to quickly say as well, I have purchased from many different people on Instagram before. I've had both great experiences and I've had not so great experiences. If you are someone who has kind of been on the fence about whether or not A, you want to get into the reseller community on Instagram, and B, if you are there purchasing from other people, I would highly recommend just getting started and first and foremost, begin to build relationships with other people. I've been pleasantly happy. I've been very thankful for the mentorship. I've been very thankful for the people's willingness to answer my questions. And I have been more than happy of building a relationship with them and purchasing items from them. And I do have another haul that will be coming soon from someone else that I purchased from online. I've just been waiting for her to launch more boxes, so I've been able to disclose that to you guys, but definitely hit that subscribe if you want to see other people's hauls, what I get in their boxes, what I purchase from them again, and what I've not. But I'm going to disclose down below some of the people that I've either followed and seen that they've had really great boxes based on other friends that have purchased from them, or I've purchased personally and had a really good experience from. I know that not everyone has the same inventory close to them. I am one of those people. I have to travel 1 to 3 to 4 hours away to get some of the brands that I would like to sell in my store. So having sources online really helps supplement when I can't do a thrift trip. Road trip, I should say. So if you guys like this video, hit that subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.